Hello, my name is Muhammad Ashraf bin Muhammad Tamizi. My matrix number is 08DBK 21F0108. Today I will be showing about process of cleaning a vacuum cleaner. First of all, the dirty things are removed from the vacuum rolling brush to lessen the cleaning work. This is the vacuum rolling brush. I will show it to you how to clean the vacuum rolling brush. Next, one by one of the vacuum attachments are removed. Then, the leftover dust are brushed. Next, the washable vacuum parts are washed with water so that there are no more oily and sticky stuff. After that, the washable vacuum parts are dried right under the sun to make sure there are no more leftover water so that we don't get electrocuted while using it. Later on, the exterior parts of the vacuum are sprayed with an all-purpose cleaner. Make sure to not point the spray on your face. After a minute, the chemicals are wiped off with a clean cloth. Lastly, the vacuum parts are reassembled cautiously to ensure that the vacuum can work properly again.
Let me show you something.
That's all from me. Thank you.